What if I told you that you could earn an extra $100 a day? Now, what if I told you it could take you less than 1 hour? I know, it sounds like a dream or sounds like a scam even, but trust me, it's real. And by the way, this isn't another get-rich-quick scheme. It's simply another service that you can add to your roster today that's in big demand right now, and it's something that's also super fun, if I do say so myself. And that is UGC. If you don't know what UGC is, it stands for user-generated content, and it's basically those ads that you see on TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. I don't know why I said Facebook Reels. Do any of you watch that? Let me know down in the comments. But it's basically those video ads that feel like an organic post. It's like an influencer merged with a social media manager. That's the best that I can describe it. How it works is the brand sends you or gives you access to their product. You record about a 30-second video and then you send it to them. They may have some revisions, but not always. And then you get paid. Sounds very simple, right? Obviously, in some cases, you may want to do some editing, and for that, I highly recommend using CapCut. It's free and it's awesome, so go check it out if you haven't yet. But answering some of your questions that you guys may have, that I've seen a lot of people have, do I need followers? And no, this is similar to an influencer type deal, but instead of you posting to your accounts and promoting to your audience, you'll be recording a video to be posted to a brand's account. But if you do have followers though, that could be an upsell that you offer. So you can record a video for them to post on their accounts, but then you can offer to post on your accounts as well for a bonus. Now, the next question that you may be asking yourself is, do I need to be on camera or do I need to talk? Yes and no. My best performing UGC video so far, I'll put it right here, technically doesn't have me on camera, it just has my hands unboxing the product, but I am talking people through that experience, so it has essentially a voiceover. We have a USB charger, very nice. Now, in some cases, I have even gotten away with using the typical TikTok voice.
Let's see what's inside. iPad stand.
AKA that AI generated voice that you can use using CapCut or TikTok. That being said, if you're open to being on camera or talking in your videos, that can be something that will add value to your content. So definitely something to consider. You can start with faceless videos and build up to those on camera. Now, next question. Do I need professional gear? And the answer is a flat out no. I record most of my content with my phone right here. It's an iPhone 13 mini, so not top of the line, but not too old either, and it works just fine. Also, UGC tends to be less polished and more natural anyway, so I don't think you need a big ass camera for that. Now, if you want to invest in something, I would invest in either lighting, so a ring light like this, or a softbox like this. That's a terrible way to show you. Or I would invest in backgrounds, so kind of like this, or actual tiles that you can use to showcase the products. But you can totally just record your first few videos on a plain background that you can find around your house, and preferably near a window so you get natural light from it, although today's a pretty rainy day, so I don't have much natural light to work with. That's why the two lights. Now, next question is, how do I find clients, or where do I find clients? First off, you want to have a portfolio, so you can create this on Canva, you can create this on Contra, link right here for the video where I talk about Contra portfolios, or you can create it on your website if you have one, or if you're willing to create one. I have my website on Wix, by the way, if anyone's interested. This is the look of the website. I'll show it right here on screen. But in order to have a portfolio, you do need some content, right? And you, once again, just like with anything freelancing related, you don't need to have clients to have a portfolio. You can do work for yourself, for mock brands. You can do work for essentially beta clients in the UGC world. That can be done with like either things that you already have on your home that you think would be video worthy, I guess. For example, I could do a video right now about this water bottle that I bought on Amazon. That's really great. I could record a video on my headphones that I really love. Just looking around the room, like, I don't know, anything really, like these lights I bought on Amazon as well, so I could do a video on them. Probably should. And on that note, you can also reach out to brands on Amazon and offer to do a gifted collab. So essentially they send you the item for free and then you do a video free of charge. So it's kind of an exchange of service for a product. I've done a few of cat beds for my cats, which they're really appreciative of. I'll put one of those right here so you can see it. Now, once you have a portfolio, there are a lot of UGC jobs on Upwork. You know, I had to mention Upwork. You can also post a gig on Fiverr for UGC projects. You can post also a project in the project catalog on Upwork. Forgot to mention that. You can, again, create a portfolio on Contra and showcase your UGC work and look for clients there. You can start posting your portfolio content to your TikTok. That's a great option as well. I know it's very popular amongst the UGC community. You can also make connections on Twitter. There's also a big UGC community on Twitter, and they sometimes post opportunities to join agencies or to, get direct UGC jobs. Or you can use apps like B-Roll or Influy to get specific UGC clients. Now, say you end up doing one UGC video a day, that can easily get you at least $100 for a 30-second video. That shouldn't take you longer than 1 hour, 1 hour and a half max to record and edit, especially once you get used to it. I've been now doing UGC for a couple of months and I absolutely love it. I love getting creative and trying out new ideas and putting them together on video. I've done some deals that were paid, some deals that were gifted, like I mentioned, and I'm truly loving it again. So I suggest you just try it out, see if you like it, and if you do, definitely go for it. It's a big industry right now. Now, in the meantime, check out this video on how I get clients on Upwork, and I'll see you there.